Hi guys, this is Sam from UberDriverNow.com. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how the Lyft driver earnings work. So this is the main screen that you see when you open up the Lyft Driver app. And I'm in Los Angeles, so these earnings are going to be based on my city. Your city is going to be different, but this is how you basically check what you're getting paid. So tap on your profile photo on the top left and then tap on dashboard. It's going to open up the Lyft driver dashboard in a browser window, and from this page you're going to tap on this the three lines on the top left, and you're going to tap on driving history. And under driving history, you will then see all your rides. I'm going to select the last week that I drove and go down to daily ride history. I'm going to select July 30th. It's going to tell me how much I made that day, and I'm going to select one of the rides here. Now it's going to tell me that it was a 3.76 mile ride and 14 minutes and 56 seconds long. I got paid $4.90. We're going to tap on view earnings details or breakdown. Now Lyft kind of makes it a little more difficult, or rather a lot of taps to get to this, whereas Uber is a little quicker. So yeah, that's one thing I noticed. So we received $4.90. I received $4.90, and Lyft got $3.98. And the passenger paid $8.98. So if we go ahead and $4.90 divided by $8.98 is 54%. That's really, really pathetic, actually. Out of the $8.98 that the passenger paid, we're only getting $4.90, which comes out to 54%. So basically 54.5. So these guys are taking 45.5% of what the rider pays. So that's pretty bad, I think. Yeah. Plus, actually, I didn't even add this 10 cents that Uber and Lyft always mention, that it's some kind of a weird fee, that third-party fees, but I think it's just BS. It's just their way of collecting another 10 cents and making a fool out of people. So I'm gonna do this calculation again, and it's gonna be $3.98 plus 10 cents. So $3.98 plus 10 is $4.08 divided by $8.98 of what the rider paid, and that's 45.43%. It's pretty much, not much of a difference from last time. So yeah, there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and there'll be a lot more useful content to come in the future. And tap on the other video on the screen and subscribe by tapping on my logo on the bottom right corner of the screen, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.